Hello, this is Emmanuel, and this is my application to the Global Health Lead position at Alenda Health. I am a public health and community health specialist here in Ethiopia, and for the last 8 to 9 years, I've been working at different level of the health system in structure here in Ethiopia and in East Africa as well. Currently, I am a CEO and a consultant at the public health and community health consultancy company here in Ethiopia. And throughout these years, I have led and also managed different health programs in different parts of the country. To name a few, in recent years, I have led a project that focuses on gender-based violence victims in northern Ethiopia, Tigray region, in the midst of the ongoing conflict or civil war. And through this project, we managed to help victims get access to a highly needed healthcare access, treatment, and also aid, and also treatment to nutritional deficiencies or problems as well. And we also managed to help communities gain access to health system easily, and also build a water source so that they could prevent waterborne diseases and infections as well. And another project I led recently is a primary health care unit program here in Addis Ababa, in which through this program we managed to reach target populations, which are those populations that are not mostly being managed or treated in health facilities due to financial constraints. But through this program we managed to reach those populations within their communities, and also help diagnose and treat symptoms and other global health problems within those communities. And there are a lot of other programs I participated in led as well. So by being a part of your organization, I'm sure that I'm going to bring my experience and expertise to the table, and also help manage and serve communities as well. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much.